Today I take you on the hunt for the hole in Khao Thalu, Chumphon, Thailand. Welcome to Fly with Odin.
Ready?เห็นรูไหมคะนู้นไกล
When we were in Chumphon, I saw a TikTok of a guy flying through a hole at Khao Thalu, but there was no location data, and Khao Thalu is a mountain range. You don't really know where it starts and ends. Therefore, the project of the day was to find the hole and to fly to it. We looked up every mountain until we finally found a hole. And here we are, flying up to it. Something like this is tricky. You don't know the wind up there. Inside the hole, you can easily lose the GPS, and with this, the drone can drift. Last not least, on the other side, you will lose the signal immediately when you lose the line of sight. To make it short, it is easy to lose a drone up there. But there is a challenge, and the pictures are spectacular. Let me know what you think of it in the comments. Would you fly there? Click like if you enjoy the video, and if you want to keep in touch, subscribe. Then you will find us easy again. If you want to stay with us, click on one of these thumbnails. Thank you for watching, and not forget to click like and to subscribe. I hope to see you in the next video.